Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm going to do this really easy freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use blue by Salon Perfect. I don't have the name of it because I got it on clearance. White by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, and beige by Wet n Wild. This doesn't have a name either. So I already painted my nails with the beige polish, and using a thin brush, I'm going to create the outline of the design using the blue. I love this blue. Like I said, I don't have the name of it because I got it on clearance at Walmart, but I just love the color, and I thought these two color combos together looked really pretty, and it's something that I don't usually do. I don't really do a lot of beige designs, but I just love how this, you know, combo looks. But you can use any colors you want. As you can see, I'm just filling it in. You can do the design on any part of your nail. It just depends on what preference you want. Once I was done, I'm just going to use white polish to outline the design, and this helps, it kind of breaks the design up. It doesn't make it one whole look. I just liked adding that white design, outline to it, and it also helps to fix any imperfections that you have. You can use a nail stripe if you want, but I'm into brushes now. Once I was done, I just added some dots. I wanted to add dots. I just thought it completed the whole look, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, this is a really easy and simple design. You can do it any color combos that you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.